If you find yourself grinding your teeth and snoring while you are sleeping, you'll need this snore and sleep apnea mouthpiece to get better, sounder sleep. Made from clear, soft silicone, this mouthpiece controls snoring and prevents teeth grinding while ensuring you a more comfortable sleep for you and your partner. Its ReadyFoam technology comfortably custom makes it to fit your jaw without falling out during your sleep. Order now on Morteal. Save more, live more.
Alright, kick back, relax, and grab yourself a beverage. A hop if you wanna just bounce to my leverage. The evidence, as they say, is in the pudding. So show me the money like my name was Cuba Gooding. It ain't fool's gold, it's gold, fool. Can't stop, won't stop, keeping it old school. So cool. Big Spoon is my nom de plume. I keep it popping like a needle in a new balloon. And if you don't know by now,